All right, everybody. So if you haven't, after class, come up here and take a look to see if there's something that I still have of yours up here. A couple of old quizzes and exams and things up here. So take a look, see if I still have anything there for you to pick up. So don't forget the Experiment 16 post-lab quiz if you haven't done it yet. That's due as normally. All right, so Chapter 13, Mastering Chemistry, that's due this Friday night. Okay, so finish that up if you have not yet. We finished Chapter 13 in class last time, and you got extra practice doing the lab this week, so you should be good to go on that. The Chapter 14 assignment is due next Thursday at 10 a.m. right before the final exam. Okay, so you have through next week to finish that up. Okay, final exam is a week from today. It's in this room from 10 to noon. We talked about that last time. I don't have anything new to add there. Let me move this a little bit. There you go. Don't forget to be working on preparing your note card as you're studying. You get one 3x5 note card that can be two-sided but has to be handwritten. The extra credit labs are due at the final. You can bring in hard copies or you can upload to the Dropbox. Or if you want to fill out hard copy worksheets and upload the pictures to the Dropbox, that's totally fine. Whatever works for you. Okay, not a problem, but both of those are due at the final if you choose to do them. These are the points. The gradebook is up to date. This is everything that still has to be added. So 13 and 14 Mastering Chemistry assignments, the Experiment 16 that you're doing this week. 10 points for lab participation and housekeeping, 10 points for online discussion participation. If you have not been doing the discussions like you should be, as you're going through and studying for the final exam, you can go back into some of those older ones and post something in there. If something is confusing to you, or if you have something that you think will be helpful to your fellow students as they are preparing for the final exam, go ahead, post those in the discussion boards. Okay. I'll be assigning those 10 points on Thursday next week. Okay? So, and then the final exam is worth its 150 points no matter what. Remember, if you do better on the final than one of the other exams, the percent you get on the final will replace one other exam's percent score. Okay. Next Tuesday, we'll do Q&A. It'll be in the lab. It'll be 10:30 to 11. Let's say 10:30 to noon. That goes over our normal lecture time, but the room's available. But the room isn't available till 10:30. Okay. So no lecture next Tuesday, but we'll be doing question and answer in the lab, 10:30 to noon. Okay. I will also be available next Thursday. Q&A in the lab, 8 to 10 a.m. Let's say 9:30. There we go. So before the final itself, if you ran into some kind of issue last minute and want to work through something, then we can do that then too. Okay, on Thursday morning. Alrighty. So who has any questions? We all set?